बचपन की यादें सजो के भेज रहे हैं। अब तक तुमने जो कुछ किया बहुत अविस्मरणीय रहा और आगे भी अच्छा रहेगा। तुम लोग सुख समृद्ध से भरपूर हो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे विवेक, खुश रहो, सुखी रहो, आबाद रहो।
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई विवेक, और ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि आप ऐसे ही खुश रहिए, मस्त रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए और दिनों दिन तरक्की करिए।
हाय विवेक, कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया। बचपन में हम लोग साथ साथ रहे, साथ साथ एंजॉय किया, साथ साथ झगड़ा किया, साथ साथ खुशी मनाई, साथ साथ खाना खाया, साथ साथ एक दूसरे की टांग खींची, एक दूसरे की शिकायतें की, एक दूसरे से प्यार किया, सब कुछ किया। लेकिन वो जो प्यार वाला बॉन्ड है वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि वो कभी टूटेगा नहीं। हम चारों भाई बहन एक दूसरे को बहुत प्यार करते हैं और हमेशा करते रहेंगे। बचपन में तुम बहुत स्टूडियस थे, बहुत मेहनती थे, सारी सारी रात पढ़ते थे, फिर थोड़ी देर सोते थे, फिर जाने से पहले मम्मी के लिए चाय बना के रख के जाते थे, एंड देन यू गो टू योर कॉलेज। यू आर सच अ लवली केयरिंग ब्रदर कि शायद ही मुश्किल है किसी को मिले। आई एम रियली लकी एंड ब्लेस्ड। लव यू।
हाय विवेक, क्या हाल है गुरु? और आज तो तुम्हारा स्पेशल दिन है और बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ भाई तुम्हारे जन्मदिन की। कितने साल के हो गए? 50 हो गए? लगते तो तुम अभी 22 साल के हो यार। क्या बात कर रहे हो? और सुनाओ, तो आज क्या चालू है? कौन सी बोतल खोल रहे हो भाई? हमने तो 6-7 मंगा ली है, जो 6-7 खोलेंगे, एक एक पैक, एक एक 10-10 साल के लिए। तो इसीलिए 5 पैक पीने के मूड में थे, तभी तुमसे बोला 50। लेकिन हो कितने साल के गए हो? भगवान करे तुम सरदम मस्त रहो, इसी तरह हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो और ज़िंदगी में खूब सारे आगे काम करो ऐसे जिससे तुम्हारा खूब नाम हो। और भाई हम लोग को याद रखना, बुढ़ापा शुरू हो गया है, तो बुढ़ापे में भैया जीजा जी को अपने याद रखना। तुम्हारे जीजा जी जो हैं तुम्हारे साथ ज़मीन पे भी लेटे हैं, ये बात याद रखना। सारी रात खाना ढूंढे, खाना नहीं मिला। ये कुछ यादें हैं तुम्हारे साथ की हमारे साथ बहुत बढ़िया। हमने बहुत इन्जॉय किया साथ में, दोस्तों की तरह इन्जॉय किया, आगे भी इन्जॉय करेंगे, ठीक है? और बताओ, बाकी आज क्या पार्टी दे रहे हो? रिमझिम तुम्हें कुछ मिला? विवेक ने गिफ्ट दिया कि तुमने गिफ्ट दिया? और छोटू और बहुत बढ़िया ये क्या कहते हैं, ये ऑप्शन दिया बिटिया ने हमारी कि क्या कहते हैं, सब लोग अपना अपना वीडियो भेजो। सॉरी फॉर द डिले, जल्दी भेज देता, कोशिश कर रहा था कि हम सब।
It's 8th of June today and it's your birthday. So many beautiful memories and you are part of my childhood. हम और तुम तो बहुत ही बदमाश थे। वो साथ साथ खिचड़ी खाना, रात को 12 बजे आंगन में बैठकर खिचड़ी बनाना, फिर उसको लेकर छत पे जाना, वो मेरा दांतों का ऑपरेशन और वो मेरी शास्त्री नगर की विजिट्स। गुड़िया दीदी तो बड़ी थी, बट गोपाल दादा, यू एंड बिट्टू ऑलवेज ऑलवेज वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट एंड यू स्टिल आर, एंड द वे यू स्टिल लव अस एंड टेक केयर ऑफ अस and Khushi, Ayan and Rimjim, all of you love us so much that दिल से दुआ निकलती है तुम लोग के लिए। और मेरा जो फेमस किस्सा है कहो तो सुना दूं कि जब मेरा छोटा सा भाई सफ़ेद पैंट सफ़ेद शर्ट में मैन होल में गिरा पड़ा था। किस्सा तो बहुत लंबा है, पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म में नहीं सुनाना चाहिए, बट आई कांट हेल्प बट रिमाइंड यू कि दीदी दीदी चिल्ला रहा था, गटर में गिर गया था, एक चप्पल अंदर गिर गई थी और हम 3 बहनें अपने भाई को बचाने की जगह सड़क पर लोट पोट होकर हंस रहे थे। एंड रिमेंबर, इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट इंसिडेंट व्हेन रंजन मामा टुक अस टू अ डोसा जॉइंट एंड ही फॉरगॉट टू कैरी हिज वॉलेट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस बहुत सारा खाना खाकर वी डिड नॉट मनी टू पे। मतलब these are few of the incidents that are actually very very hilarious, but they are they're so valuable to our lives, and with all those beautiful memories, lots and lots and lots of love and good wishes to you, my Chotu sa bhai. May you prosper, may you be healthy, may you always be happy. Love you. Mwah. Hi Vivek, very happy birthday to you. You are the sweetest brother in the world. I love you very much, and you know that. I'm very proud to be your behna. इतना ही है मुझको कहना. All of us love you. Have a very happy birthday. Live long, live happy. Keep spreading smiles as always. Be joyful. Bye bye.
Hi Vivek, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday and a long and healthy and happy life. बट मज़ा तो तब आएगा जब हम तुम्हारे साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, वो भी बॉटल वाली कोरोना के साथ. Till then, have a ball. Enjoy yourself.
Hi Vivek, this is my second video for you. वो वीडियो तुम्हारी बदमाशी वाली यादों का था. So I thought I might just not well put it there. And this is wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, my Chotu Bhaiya. So many of beautiful memories we have been part of. And please remember that our blessings are always with you. You are very kind, very generous, and a beautiful soul. Truly, you, Rim Jim, Khushi, Ayan, you make a perfect family. And blessings to all of you. Happy birthday once again. Mwah. Happy birthday, Vivek.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाचा.
एंजॉय भाई. चीयर्स.
Happy birthday, Chacha. Happy birthday, Dada. Wish you many, many happy turns of the day.
Dada, wish you very happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Daudi.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Stop there.
Happy birthday, Vivek Chacha. Happy birthday. Hi, Mama. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you many more. The fondest memory of you that I come across is, whenever I, Ayan or Pallav or whenever we used to meet, अब हम लोग के हमेशा बाल देख के हम लोग को सबको उठा के गाड़ी में भर के सीधे नाई की दुकान में लेके जाके सबके बाल छोटे. Now since because of the lockdown मेरे बाल बढ़ गए हैं, but let the lockdown get over, salons get open, I'm sure I'll send you a good picture of my hair chopped. So many happy returns of the day and wish you many more in future. Cheers.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mama. Well, I'll start first with the fondest memory I have of you. I have two, particularly. One would be very cute. If crush had a meaning for a 3-4-year-old girl, then I had a big crush on you. Because you were good looking, handsome, charming, everything. You still continue to be that. And this personality is something I really admire. The second memory that I have of you will be Nani ke ghar pe, how you always protected me from cruel brothers that I had, and Pallav Dada and Par Dada ko latka dete the on that triangle thing. So it was really cute how you protected me and how lovingly possessive you were about me. So I just love you to no extent. I can keep talking.
Well, Mama, she can keep talking because this is take 16 of this video. So I'll keep it very short and crisp. The most fond memory that I have of my interaction with you is that last year at this time you sold me a product, if I were to say. The product is now sitting next to me. It is running well, it is durable. Your sales pitch was awesome, Mama. It is because of you that because of the packaging that you had portrayed about the product, that one got lured and married. Marriage happened, and we would like to thank you for that, Mama. The product is really nice, durable, and it is going to last for a lifetime. And it's been so long we've not met you.
We should meet.
We should meet as soon as the lockdown ends. We are coming to your place for a kebab party. We want to meet Mami, Khushi, and Ayan, and not to forget Simba.
And rabbits.
And the rabbits.
Snowy.
And the rabbits.
Well, Mama, we love you. We adore you,
Mama.
And wish you a
Very happy birthday, Mama. Have an amazing day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe.
Namaste Mama, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day, have a great party at home and stay safe.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mama. See you soon.
As you are. It's been nearly 4 decades, man. I can't believe it. From the cheapest of rum to the best of malts. From eating at Rovers. No, nothing can beat that, yeah. Beer at the Shahid Smarak and at Chandra's car. Our 1-to-1 Karobar sessions in Lucknow. From school canteen to the best of cuisines. Bhai, you are a leader, wonderful planner, and above all, a great friend. 2 लाइंस तुम्हारे लिए मेरी जान. ना जाने कौन सी दौलत है तुम्हारे लफ्ज़ों में. बात करते हो तो दिल ही खरीद लेते हो. So happy birthday once again, Vivek bhai. Stay home, stay safe. Love you. Bye.
Hi Vivek, wish you a happy birthday. आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत मुबारक है. When I met Vivek for the first time, couple of decades ago, and it's great to be friends for so many years. You know, he had it all, the complete style quotient, inspired by Tom Cruise, influenced by Top Gun, aviator glasses, hairstyle, bike, the popular guy, it's amazing. Filled with life, energy. And I think it's still the same, and I'm glad that it's still the same. Once again, a very happy birthday. Cherish our friendship, love our friendship, and it's great to be friends with someone for so many years and have the bond going. Thanks a lot for the friendship and wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Vivek, happy birthday!
Happy birthday Vivek. Nitin doesn't have anything nice to say about you. I asked him. But I really think that you're a nice, jovial, happy, very positive person.
She's just 4 drinks down.
And I am 4 drinks down, by the way. He should also wish Simon.
Bye, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you.
So your mama should also wish him.
Hello, happy birthday from our side, our family. May God bless you. Have fun, have a blast.
Simon, you can also say happy birthday. No. Okay, Simon doesn't want to say happy birthday. But have a blast with it. And we miss you on your birthday. I hope we get together.
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे विवेक. एंजॉय और जल्दी से लखनऊ आने का प्रोग्राम बनाओ. हम सब बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं तुम लोगों को.
सर जी, जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी मुबारकात. आज 20 साल हो गए, 19 हो गए एक्चुअली, 20 भी नहीं. 26 जनवरी 2001 आप खड़े थे आपके बालकनी में खुशी को लेके जब अर्थक्वेक हुआ था. जैसे कि आपको पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. जब आपको हमने बोला कि आपको अर्थक्वेक हुआ और आप नीचे आए, अगले कुछ घंटे हमने साथ में बिताए थे और तब से लेके अब तक की दोस्ती रह गई है. हम सिर्फ एक ही शहर में नहीं थे बड़ौदा में, पर उसके बाद दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, कैलकाटा. इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग वे बड़ी. You've been more of family than friend. In my family at home, everybody misses you a lot. And do have a great birthday.
Happy birthday Vivek. Wishing you many years of happiness. And we have been missing each other in Mumbai. I want you and your family here. Khushi, you were supposed to come in June. We were looking forward to it. But now, whenever it happens, you're always welcome. And see you all soon. And happy birthday once again. I miss you guys.
Wish you a very happy birthday, uncle. Long time no see. Hopefully this time around, next once COVID is done, we can meet soon. Have a great day and a great year ahead.
सर जी नया घर लेके 2 साल हो गए, आप आए नहीं अभी तक, आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ।
This is a Pune.
Anya describes you very well. Anya asked me, विवेक अंकल वही है ना जो बहुत कूल है, हंसते हैं और डांस बहुत अच्छा करते हैं और पूरी पार्टी में हमें एंटरटेन रखते हैं। आई सेड एग्जैक्टली यही वही है विवेक अंकल। सो यू आर वन पेशेंट, jovial, happy go lucky man, and your one liners can crack us up and brighten up the entire party. Remain like this. I can't remember, कभी याद नहीं आता कि कब मिले पहली बार हम, क्योंकि ऐसा फील होता है जैसे बचपन से हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं। ऐसे ही रहिए, खुश रहिए, बाकी जब मिलेंगे तब और बातें करेंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Vivek Chachu. We miss you. Please come after the lockdown, and I really miss those cuties. Please bring some.
Keep entertaining us, and I really want to hear all those childhood stories that you guys shared, and I really wait for the get together to hear all of that.
Happy returns of the day. Oh, happy birthday to you.
My dear all-rounder Damaji, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. You are a stylish, caring, full of energy and hard-working person. And if any one of you want to invite him to your party, then remember to keep the crockery away. God bless you with long life, full of happiness, success and health.
So it's Vivek's birthday. Happy birthday, Vivek. I'm not going to ask how old you are because you look so young. कह ही नहीं सकते, you are Khushi's father. I can only say one thing that I recall very well about Vivek from the time he's got married, that he's such a smiling face. Never ever have I seen him look worried, hassled, or angry. He's just unlike all of us. कितना अच्छा लड़का है। पायल, तुमने कैसे डिसाइड करा था, कब डिसाइड करा था इससे शादी करने को? ये स्टोरी तुमने किसी को आज तक नहीं बताई। सो विवेक, मैं तो यही जानती हूँ दैट ही इज़ अ जेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. ही इज़ द कूलेस्ट गाय. ही इज़ स्मार्ट, गुड लुकिंग, हैंडसम, and these days he looks like, what's that, Dhawan? Famous actor. All the best to you in the times to come. May you grow, reach great heights, और खूब ऐसे ही हंसते रहो. एज नंबर है, ये दुनिया को बताते रहो. और हम लोगों के लिए खुशियाँ समेट के लाते रहो.
Hi Vivek, happy birthday to you. Ayushman Bhava. We are so fortunate to have you in our family, who's ready to help each other at one phone call. You are lovable, affectionate, and of course, you are the best. Love you, and have a good day.
आप भी बोल दीजिए हैप्पी बर्थडे
जी मौसी.
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
Happy birthday, dear Vivek. How are you, beta? Many happy returns of the day. About you, I can only say that सबसे शांत, सबसे हंसमुख, सबसे बैलेंस्ड, सबसे फ्रेंडली बच्चा जो हमारी फैमिली में है वो विवेक है. And we're really proud to have you, and very lucky to have you as part of our family. God bless you, keep you well.
Wow, that was well said. So just adding to that, I think like I can just say that like Manam is that smiley face for his generation, you are for us. So just keep that smile, keep that amazing aura that you have around you, making every party a success like a dude. And we just hope this corona times are over soon, and we will wait for that bash to happen again with you dancing and making everyone dance again. So very happy birthday, Jiju.
Happy birthday.
Have a
God
great
bless.
day, and we'll meet soon.
I remember first meeting Vivek as a teenager. I think he was in class 10. He came and spent 3-4 days with us on a summer vacation on his way to Vaishno Devi, and I remember him as a good-looking, courteous, polite boy. And after all these years, I think I still hold on to what my first impression was. What shall I say about him? He is more of a son than a son-in-law, not just to the Chandra family, but to the entire extended family. He's always there for everybody and always in the forefront, whether it's rocking on the dance floor or helping anyone who is in need. I have a special bond with him, being members of the in-law outlaw gang and also being my blood brother. So a very happy birthday to you, Vivek. Good luck, God bless, and stay just the way you are.
Vivek Raj, the name and the person evokes a real wow factor. He is one person who's literally undaunted. He is like unassuming, a person who in all adversity he kind of really makes himself come up and rise up to the occasion. ऐसा प्यारा सा बच्चा who's, I mean, you can really call him a cool guy.
Yes,
he keeps his kind of a composure, and he's compassionate, and he's always smiling. उसको कुछ कभी मैंने उसका कभी देखा ही नहीं कि उसको कभी कोई चीज़ में he is kind of really flustered, or he's kind of feeling a bit as one says he's under pressure or something, or not that he is not into. बहुत दफ़े उसका ये होता है कि बहुत तकलीफ, a lot of things are happening all around him, and he has really stresses and problems all around, but he kind of never makes them look to anybody else around him कि वो how he's handling and कैसे, with all the smile and being always there. उस वक्त भी उसको बोलो कि come over and help us out, he'll always be there. So Vivek, you are the best. And मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा कि ये बोलना पड़ रहा है तो इसलिए बोल रहे हैं हम, पर इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि तुम बहुत ही you are one person who कभी कोई 11 जून हो जाए या कभी कोई चीज़ हो जाए, so you have never been like a son-in-law, as rightly said by Mami. You have been one person who's been a son to us, a kind of always a friend to me, and you have literally kind of been standing by us for all the times which are there. So great for you. Have a great birthday,
Happy
my dear
birthday.
lovely boy Vivek. तुम ऐसे ही हंसते खेलते रहो. May you have a world full of fun, joy and laughter all the time in your life. Take care. Bye.
A happy birthday, Vivek. Many happy returns of the day. You remember हम लोग जब हम दोनों ने डांस किया था तुम्हारे लखनऊ वाले घर के टेरेस पे तुम्हारी शादी से पहले. That's one of the most memorable dances I've ever done. I always remember that, and I always remember the beautiful picture that you sent to me through Payal Didi, Papa or Mary, and that's kept in my clinic office. So these are memories of you that are always there in my life, and thank you for being there. Thank you for being such a wonderful person. Have a wonderful year ahead. Stay healthy, खूब खुश रहो, healthy रहो, और हमेशा जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो. A very happy birthday.
विवेक भाई, ये कुछ तस्वीरें हैं यादों के शेप में, और पिछले कुछ मेरी अपनी 40 साल की ज़िंदगी में 30 साल आपके साथ बहुत ज़िंदगी के ऊपर नीचे चढ़ाव उतराव देखते हुए गुजरे हैं, बहुत मज़े से गुजरे हैं. और मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि थोड़े दिन पहले मैं संजू देख रहा था मूवी, और संजू में जो संजय दत्त और कामली वाला एक दोस्ती का सेगमेंट है, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था और आपको सोचते हुए उस पिक्चर को देखने के बाद मैं काफ़ी रोया भी था। मैंने कोशिश किया है थोड़ा मैं अपने अस्तित्व को थोड़ा सा चेंज करूं और जिससे कि हमारे आने वाले 30 तो नहीं लेकिन 20 साल और मज़े से गुजरे और ये दोस्ती ऐसे ही चलती रहे और आप के लिए ये मेरी तरफ से बर्थडे की शुभकामनाएं। अब कामनाओं देखिए कहाँ कहाँ हैं और ढूंढें उन्हें, बट हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड यू हैव अ ग्रेट वन। थैंक्स, बाय बाय।
A very happy birthday, Jiaji. Now, so much into these recorded classes. I have been recording classes for so long, but actually speaking about someone so close to you can get so difficult. I didn't know this. You know, and especially on a recorded video. If you're across me, I can definitely talk a lot about you. I still remember when I was going to have Kuhu. And Mohit was traveling, so he actually dropped me at your place, so that he didn't want me to stay alone. And you just offered that, you know, you were going somewhere, and you said, do you want to go for a drive? And I said, oh, why not? And I just sat in your car to go for a drive. Oh my God, what a drive that was! I should say, I was really thinking that actually did Mohit send me into safe hands, because your driving was like Schumacher. I still remember when I was sitting in your car, I wasn't even open enough to tell you that, Jiaji, can you please drive slowly? I was sitting holding the handle in the back seat. And I was like, oh my God, Mohit, you've got some fast driving brother-in-law you have. And from that time to now, you are one of the most genuine people that I have met. Really. Very heartfelt, Jiaji. You're actually very genuine. I have actually seen how genuinely you feel for people. When you advise, during one of my days, you know, when I just started with my anxiety days, I don't want to talk about it, but then I still remember that I was feeling very low, and you'd offered that, why don't you come to our place at Sector 56? And I came, again I sat in your car. But then I was, I think, in a different frame of mind. And you got me home, and I still remember you giving me that pep talk. It actually mattered so much. I don't know whether I could tell you a thank you then, but I really want to tell you a thank you today for that one evening that you actually spoke to me. Till a few days back, when it was deciding between two schools, you know, whether I was in a fix, whether I should take up Father Agnell or Lotus Valley International. And that was a time also when you gave me such genuine, you actually gave me a year, and you heard me out, and you tried to give the best advice that you could. So thank you so much, Jiaji, and very, very happy birthday. I'm sorry I talked about all the serious things, but I think I really, really respect you, and I will always do, not because you're the damad of our family, but because of who you are. Thank you so much for being there, and a very, very happy birthday, and have a great, great birthday.
Hey Jiju, wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jiju.
So you're such a great person, you've been so warm and welcoming, and you've always been there. We're so fortunate to have a Jiju like you.
And one of the biggest things that I feel is that we all need to learn from you is how to be happy and positive and cheerful, and something that is really like I admire about you as a quality. And I think you've been less of a Jiju, more of a Dada. I feel so close to you.
So wish you happy birthday, and we'll be there soon to celebrate it in person. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vivek Jija. This is a great milestone, and we are looking forward कि जल्दी से ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो तो हम लोग भाई अपनी बैक टू सेलिब्रेशंस में आए. विवेक जीजा के बारे में क्या कहें, आई थिंक he is the best of all of us and best of both worlds. मतलब हम लोग तो जैसे मैं, मोहित दादा, गौरव, सिद्धार्थ दारू वारू पी के लड़ने वड़ने लगते हैं, इधर उधर घूमने रखते हैं. विवेक जीजा अपना काम रहते हैं, एकदम सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेते हैं, हंसते हंसते डिसीजन लेते हैं. हम लोग इधर बड़े लुढ़क रहे होते हैं, बुड़क रहे होते हैं, एक दूसरे पे चिल्ला रहे होते हैं, मार रहे होते हैं. बट विवेक जीजा हमेशा एकदम पैसिवली सारा हैंडल करके, एंड यू नो दैट्स द स्मार्ट वे टू डू इट एक्चुअली, without overreacting, without any this thing. So good man to have around, and we wish you are always around. We hope we get to spend a lot more time with you, lot more time together, and many more birthdays like this. All the best. Happy birthday, Vivek Jija.
Happy birthday, Vivek Jija. We absolutely adore you. We miss you. We miss seeing you on your birthday. And just like Anand said, you're a great man to have in the corner. You're an enduring friend. You're a wonderful husband, an excellent father. And you know, I mean, I wanted to just talk about one small incident. The day Anand and I got married on 7th of March, and I don't know if you remember this, Jiju, because there was so much happening that day. I remember Anant Bharat was so late coming in and everybody was very hyper. Then the Varmala happened, and we on the girls' side were very stressed out. And finally, when I made it to the Varmala podium, and you remember this gentleman was being carried by all the brothers and all his brother-in-laws, and he chucked the Varmala on my neck. I mean, I don't know how you did it in all that pandemonium, but I still remember that you caught hold of this boy's neck and you pulled his neck down so that the next time when it was my turn to put the Varmala, I would do it, below my eye level. And oh my God, that really was so sweet of you. I think Vivek Jiju, it really speaks to you as the man we are discussing. You understood, you read the situation, you saw I was very upset, and आपने वो देखा और इमीडिएटली आपने उसकी गर्दन पकड़ के उसकी गर्दन को नीचे कर दिया. हाँ, हम वीडियो भी दिखाएंगे तुम्हें if you don't believe me. But Vivek Jiju has been in my corner from day one, and I love him for that. And you are the best man to have, as a friend, as a confidant, as a blood brother. I mean, I think the list goes on. We really missed celebrating your birthday with you this time, but next year for sure. And thank you, Khushi, for organizing this wonderful platform. Great initiative. Happy birthday once again, and we miss you and we hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Rija.
To one of the nicest person we know.
Happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Dearest Vivek Jiju, happy birthday. Hope to celebrate with you once this lockdown is over and I'm in Delhi. I still don't have internet, so recording this on mobile hotspot, so have to keep it short. Lots of love, hugs, and best wishes. Take care. See you soon. Bye.
So this is wishing Vivek Jiju a very happy birthday. जीजू बोलने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है क्योंकि आप कभी जीजू जैसे बिहेव ही नहीं किया आपने. आप दोस्त ज़्यादा, जीजू कम, बेटा ज़्यादा, दामाद कम, लेकिन चीनी भरपूर. चीनी कम नहीं, चीनी भरपूर. मतलब विवेक से ज़्यादा स्वीट इस परिवार में कभी देखा नहीं होगा. मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा, हरदम हंसता हुआ, जो कभी किसी बात को सीरियसली ना ले. दैट्स विवेक राज. सो हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे विवेक. खूब खुश रहो, भगवान तुम्हें बहुत लंबी उम्र दे. और मैं तो एक ही बात कहता हूँ कि विवेक को जिसको मैं स्कूल से जानता था वो आज तक उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है। जैसा वो तब था वो तुम वैसे ही बिल्कुल अभी भी हो। और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि तुम टाइम के साथ, रिलेशनशिप चेंज होने के साथ तुम्हारे में कोई फ़र्क नहीं आया। एंड वी स्टिल होल्ड द सेम बॉन्ड विच वी यूज्ड टू हैव व्हेन वी वर टुगेदर इन स्कूल। तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। खुश रहो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे Pupa. Happy birthday Vivek Jiju. Always stay the lovely person that you are. Happy birthday Pupa.